Good day, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to reset the oil life indicator on the 2003 to 2025 GMC Savana. Whether you've just changed your oil or your dashboard reminder has popped up, resetting the oil life is a crucial step to keeping your vehicle's maintenance schedule up to date. So, let's dive in and get started. Okay, there are two ways to reset the oil life on this car, but I'll show you the one I find most straightforward in this part. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Turn the key on without starting the engine. Step 2. Pump the gas pedal right down 3 times within 5 seconds, and you're done. After this, you can turn off the ignition and then start the car to verify the indicator has been reset. If this doesn't work, you can try again or go on to the next method. Next, if your GMC Savana has a DIC button on the instrument panel, I'll teach you how to reset the oil life. So let's get to work. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press on the car info button, and you're going to cycle through it until you see your percentage of oil life on the screen. Step 3. Hold the checkmark button down for a few seconds, and then you'll see the oil life change to 100%, and you're done. So that's how the oil reset is done on this vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tutorials. Keep your GMC Savana in top shape with our easy-to-follow guides. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy driving.